Hey guys, hey, what's up? Welcome to Gomez Minor channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Click on subscribe to the channel. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back to the video. So today I'm super excited because I ordered me some Polygel set, and that is my first time ordering it. I ordered it from eBay and I'm super excited, and I want to show you guys everything that it came with, and I got it for like $35. So I got it for a good decent deal. So I'm going to be trying poly nail gel on my channel for the first time. So let's go on so I can show you guys everything that it came with. So okay, it came with a lamp. So this is the lamp, so you can put, you know, your nails once they need to get dry. So this is my first ever nail lamp. It also came with a nail liquid. I don't know, I'm not sure what the nail liquid is for, but it came with it. It also came with this this is like I don't know what this is, but it came with this. I think this is to put the polygel when you're using it to put in your hand or something, and this is the brush to use it with. And it came with a lot of gel polish. So there's one, there's two. I'm just gonna grab everything. So these is how much nail gel polish. So it came with a lot. So it came with all types of colors. I'm gonna open it so you can see like the colors too. So this, I'm just gonna line them up. It came with this edge nail filer thing. That is one thing it came with. It came with this, a filer. It came with instructions, so you know, so you can know exactly what to do and stuff. It came with, so this is the instructions here. So if you're like clueless, like, oh my god, what to do, it comes with instructions. So this is their polygel. So this is one of the polygel, and it came, guys, it came with so much. This is the base coat. It came with a base coat, and it came with also a top coat. This is the top coat, and it came with a cup. Like, this is, I think my sister already used this. She's the first one to try it, and what I noticed is that she used this cup and she put the nail liquid on it and she dipped the brush. So I think that's what to use it for. So it came with, this is the thing right here. I don't know if you can see, but these are the nails. These are the nails you're going to be using. So they have all type of shapes and sizes, so you know to shape your nails. So I'm telling you guys, it came with so much nail polish, nail gels, and I'm like once I saw this for like $35, I was like, this is a decent deal. So it also came with, I guess, I don't know if this is sticker, I don't know if it's like nail design, I do not know. So